Hey everyone, in today's behind the scene video, I'm shooting once again on the 5D Mark III with the Canon 35mm 1.4 lens, and I'm also shooting with the Sony a7 II with the Canon 50mm 1.2 L series lens. This is the second time that I'm using this camera body with this lens. At the last photo shoot, which was 2 days ago, I noticed that the 50mm works so well with the Sony that I wanted to test that out again today and see how it goes for the photo shoot. Today we have Jade, who is our model, we have Kathy doing hair and makeup, and we have Dan behind the camera shooting the behind the scenes. And also, if you're wondering if we're going to be doing a nighttime shoot, no, I just forgot to film the intro, so we're actually filming this at the very end of the shoot. But let's roll back into present time, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I get you to stand just over here. I reckon like over the shoulder there would look really good. Yeah. Oh, I like these over the shoulders. Oh, that is really beautiful. I love it. And flick your hair over again. Yeah. All right, and let me get a full like head to toe here as well, because this spot is perfect. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna get a couple on this. This one's a bit closer up, so we'll get some kind of like portrait shots. Oh, saw a good one there. Let me get like super cropped in. That's looking good, you're making it work. I'll shoot a lot, so we've got some good options with the wind. And do a couple looking over here at me. Perfect. Ooh, that sun and that wind.
I know.
Oh, so pretty. Gosh, I love this one. Gonna rip out some nature. Sorry. Oh, the wind stopped for a second. Oh, I love this spot. Pretty. Perfect. It's like similar to the other ones, but not completely the same. That's perfect. Oh, once again. Oh, these are really hard to rip out.
Yeah.
Maybe you can bring one knee kind of up and the other one down. Yeah, there we go. That's perfect. Yeah, oh, I like that one. Oh, I like that. Just grab that one string of hair. Yeah, you got it. I like that with the one hair. Just came back. Yeah, I've seen like so many while we're shooting, and I'm like, that's the one I want to edit. That one. Oh, actually just here where you're standing looks amazing. We might actually run across the park into that sunlight because it looks amazing right now. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, we've got this kind of willow tree actually. I'll get you to stand just here. Oh my gosh, so pretty. That looks incredible, the lighting.
Oh, the lighting's so nice.
I love it. Awesome. Gosh, this is insane. I'm gonna get like wider out. The wind stopped. Finally. Let's do one in those little flowers there on the grass. Sit like right in the middle of them. I think maybe in this bunch here. It's like a fairy tale or something. Is it so much easier now that it's not windy?
I know, not windy.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is like the best lighting I've had at a shoot in such a long time. Amazing. Can we do one with your arms up? And just a couple more in this one, which is a bit closer up. Oh, I love that. Awesome. And can we do a couple where you twist your shoulders a little bit towards me? And just a couple more looking at me. All right, stunning. I could just take photos of you all day, honestly. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's photo shoot. I had so much fun and I'm so happy with the photos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all next time. Bye!